Welcome back to the channel. This is part 4 of an LA165 rebuild. The last video was ended up painting the Fender deck. I cleaned those, installed those, all these, and these fenders, and installed this one here. It's starting to look pretty good. Don't time too much because you'll break the plastic on the inside. I'm going to work on my seat. You can see it's a little rusty there. I'm just take the mini grinder to that, and then paint her up. I'm going to take these bolts off and take the bracket right out of the seat. A little grinder to it. This seat pan right there, I ended up sandblasting it and put a coat of primer and put one coat of paint on it, put one more coat, and then we'll put her back together. All right, time for the fender deck to go on. Your e-brake. All right, I'll line up the bolt holes here. There's 6 on the LA series. On the D and E series tractors, there's only 4. There's only 1 here, but here there's 2. I'm gonna line them up here a little bit. Here. I loosen off the battery tray so I can put my e-brake rod in and your cruise control rod on the side. Be easier to put on. I guess you didn't have to take the battery tray off. The rods go behind the battery tray. Anyway, too late now. But there's a spring here I gotta get. Right down there. I could have put that first, but it attaches right here. And the spring on this rod came off a few times, but it's on, so I'm gonna put my cruise controls here right now. I have to split this apart again to put these cruise control and e-brake together. Only 6 bolts. Snap this rod in here. Goes in and snapped in. Yep. Yep. Works. Alright, all 6 bolts down there started. And I'm going to put my springs in the back here. Alright. Alright, nice and tight. It's all good. Alright, now you can plug in your cables here. This one hooks up to the motor. This one goes into the frame. Make sure it's clean. for your negative wire for your battery. And put the wire back in. All right, this is your choke. Put that up. And this is your gas. Choke all the way off. And tighten it there. Gas all the way back. Make sure she's all the way back and tighten her up. And then forward. Make sure this is straight. Yep, all the way straight. It's good. Well, put the hood on. It's starting to look like a tractor. You gotta put the bulbs in. All right, for the seat, swivels like this. This goes in the back. So I need a sticker, I need a battery, and should be ready to roll. I need to put the front bumper, and next video will be about the transmission. All right, that's the end of part 4. If you like this video, press thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel, click below. Thank you for watching.